I find it. Yeah, we got a good solid 2 feet of snow. I've got about 100 yards of unplowed road to go. That's gonna be tricky. Got absolutely no visibility. Don't need visibility unless we can drive somewhere. So I'm gonna take my snowshoes and beat a path to the plowed road. Oh, that's a long way to go. Giving it a bunch of throttle and it just popped on me and I kind of smelled this burning smell and now only 2 of the wheels are spinning. That's pretty sick. Oh, I'm about to go for a ride. Oh, we're doing it.